Long before smartphones, fast food chains, and grocery delivery apps transformed daily life, American families relied on simple homemade meals built around affordability, comfort, and practicality. In small towns and busy cities alike, dinners were often prepared from scratch using ingredients already sitting in the pantry. These forgotten meals reflected a slower era when families gathered around tables every evening and wasted very little food. One of the most beloved forgotten dishes was creamed chipped beef on toast, often nicknamed SOS. Thin slices of dried beef cooked in creamy white gravy and poured over toasted bread became a filling meal during the Great Depression and wartime years. Cheap, hearty, and easy to prepare, it appeared in both military kitchens and ordinary homes. Another once common meal was salmon patties. Canned salmon mixed with breadcrumbs, onions, and eggs created crispy fried patties capable of feeding large families on tight budgets. Served beside mashed potatoes or canned peas, they became a dependable dinner throughout the mid-20th century. Milk toast was another comfort meal that has nearly vanished today. Warm milk poured over buttered toast created a soft and soothing dish, often served to children, elderly relatives, or anyone feeling unwell. Though incredibly simple, it represented comfort during difficult times. Bean soup and cornbread also defined everyday American cooking. Large pots simmered slowly throughout the day, while cornbread baked in cast-iron skillets nearby. Cheap dried beans stretched family food budgets while still providing nourishment. Tomato sandwiches became especially popular during summer months when gardens overflowed with fresh tomatoes. Thick slices sprinkled with salt and pepper, layered onto white bread with mayonnaise, created one of the simplest lunches imaginable. Another forgotten favorite was fried bologna sandwiches. Bologna remained one of the cheapest meats available, and frying it in a skillet improved both flavor and texture. Chicken and dumplings represented Sunday comfort in countless homes. Soft dough dumplings floating in rich chicken broth stretched small amounts of meat into meals capable of feeding entire families. Macaroni and tomatoes became another affordable staple. Boiled macaroni mixed with canned tomatoes created a surprisingly comforting supper during lean years. Rice pudding often doubled as both dessert and dinner. Leftover rice combined with milk, cinnamon, and sugar created a warm dish that wasted nothing. These forgotten meals remind us of an America where food was simple, homemade, and deeply tied to everyday family life. When life moved slower and meals were cooked from scratch daily, American kitchens were filled with practical recipes designed to feed families affordably. Many of these once common meals have nearly disappeared today, replaced by fast food and convenience products. One forgotten staple was potato soup. Made with potatoes, onions, milk, and butter, it became a reliable meal during hard economic times. Families often served it with homemade bread to stretch the meal even further. Another classic was liver and onions. Though modern tastes have largely rejected it, liver once provided affordable nutrition during decades when wasting food wasn't an option. Cornbread and milk also appeared regularly on rural dinner tables. Crumbled cornbread soaked in cold milk created a surprisingly filling meal enjoyed throughout the South and Midwest. Cold meatloaf sandwiches filled countless lunchboxes. Leftover meatloaf sliced thick and placed between bread created an economical lunch for factory workers and school children alike. Fried potatoes cooked in bacon grease became another working-class favorite. Cheap, flavorful, and filling, they appeared on breakfast, lunch, and dinner tables. Another forgotten meal was chipped beef gravy over biscuits, similar to creamed chipped beef on toast. This dish provided comfort using inexpensive pantry staples. Cabbage cooked slowly with bacon scraps also became common in many homes, because cabbage lasted a long time without refrigeration. Peanut butter and banana sandwiches gained popularity during the mid-century years as affordable lunches packed with calories and energy. Beans and hot dogs became another quick family dinner. Though simple, it provided enough food for larger households during difficult financial periods. Bread pudding remained a common dessert because stale bread was never thrown away. Families transformed leftovers into sweet dishes using milk, sugar, and spices. Meals during this era reflected creativity and resourcefulness more than luxury. Families made the most of whatever ingredients they had available, creating dishes that became deeply connected to memory and tradition. Though many of these meals have faded away, they remain reminders of a simpler America built around homemade food, family dinners, and careful budgeting. Before frozen dinners and restaurant takeout became everyday conveniences, American families depended on simple recipes passed down through generations. These forgotten meals once appeared regularly on kitchen tables across the country, especially during difficult economic decades. One of the most famous dishes was beans and cornbread. Dried beans simmered slowly all day while cornbread baked nearby created one of the cheapest and most filling meals imaginable. Another common favorite was tuna noodle casserole. Combining canned tuna, egg noodles, cream soup, and crushed crackers or chips, it became a practical dinner capable of feeding large families. Creamed peas on toast also appeared frequently in American homes. Though rarely seen today, the dish reflected an era when even simple pantry staples could become dinner. Another forgotten classic was fried Spam with eggs. Spam became incredibly popular during wartime because of its long shelf life and affordability. Macaroni and cheese baked from scratch filled homes with warmth and comfort long before boxed versions dominated grocery shelves. Tomato soup paired with grilled cheese sandwiches became one of America's most dependable comfort meals. Chicken pot pie transformed leftover meat and vegetables into hearty family dinners topped with flaky crust. Another once popular dish was hot water cornbread. Made with cornmeal and boiling water, then fried in grease, it became a staple among poorer households. Rice with gravy also appeared regularly during difficult times. Even without meat, thick gravy poured over rice created a satisfying meal. Homemade pancakes served for dinner became common when money was tight. Syrup or jam turned inexpensive ingredients into comforting suppers. These meals reflected a time when simplicity defined American cooking. Families gathered around tables nightly, recipes were shared across generations, and food represented comfort rather than convenience. Though these dishes may seem old-fashioned now, they remain powerful symbols of family life during a simpler era. In earlier decades, American meals revolved around practicality, affordability, and tradition. Families cooked from scratch daily, using simple ingredients to create comforting dishes capable of feeding everyone gathered around the table. One forgotten favorite was sausage gravy and biscuits. Rich gravy poured over fresh biscuits became a filling breakfast, and sometimes even dinner in Southern homes. Another once common meal was sardines and crackers. Cheap canned fish provided protein during years when fresh meat was expensive. Boiled potatoes with butter and onions became another dependable supper during hard times. Though simple, they filled hungry stomachs after long workdays. Egg salad sandwiches packed into lunch pails also became a staple among working families. Another forgotten meal was cabbage rolls stuffed with rice and meat scraps. Immigrant families especially relied on dishes like these because they stretched ingredients efficiently. Pinto beans with ham hocks simmered slowly for hours and became deeply connected to rural American cooking additions. Another practical meal was fried cornmeal mush. Leftover breakfast mush sliced and fried the next day created crispy, filling meals. Cold fried chicken often appeared in picnic baskets and lunchboxes because it traveled well without refrigeration. Another forgotten comfort dish was baked apples filled with cinnamon and sugar. Affordable and simple, they provided sweetness during difficult years. Homemade vegetable soup remained essential because it allowed families to use every leftover vegetable before spoilage. These meals represented a culture where food was deeply connected to hard work, family routines, and careful budgeting. Though modern lifestyles have replaced many of these dishes with convenience foods, they still carry memories of simpler times when homemade cooking defined everyday American life. Looking back at forgotten American meals reveals a time when food was less about trends and more about survival, comfort, and family tradition. Kitchens were filled with the smell of soups simmering slowly, bread baking in ovens, and casseroles feeding entire households. One common meal was potato pancakes made from leftover mashed potatoes. Fried until crispy, They transformed leftovers into entirely new dishes. Another forgotten favorite was ham salad sandwiches. Chopped ham mixed with mayonnaise and pickles became a popular lunch filling during the mid-20th century. Soup beans cooked all day on wood stoves provided warmth and nourishment during harsh winters and economic hardship. Another staple was baked macaroni layered with cheese and breadcrumbs. Long before processed boxed dinners existed, homemade macaroni casseroles filled family tables. Open-faced roast beef sandwiches covered in gravy became especially popular in diners and homes alike. Another once famous dish was creamed tuna on toast. Though nearly forgotten now, it reflected the practical cooking habits of wartime America. Cold pasta salads mixed with mayonnaise and vegetables also became picnic and church supper staples. Another simple meal was bread and milk sprinkled with sugar or cinnamon. It may seem unusual today, but it comforted countless children during earlier decades. Chicken and rice casseroles became dependable meals because they stretched small amounts of meat into larger portions. Apple butter spread on homemade bread also remained common in rural kitchens where preserving food was essential. These meals reflected an America where families reused leftovers, cooked seasonally, and relied heavily on homemade food rather than convenience products. Though many of these dishes have disappeared from modern tables, they remain symbols of resilience, simplicity, and a slower way of life when meals brought people together every single day.